She was powerful not because she wasn't scared, but because she went on so strongly despite the fear. Hello everyone, I am Surbhi Singh and I welcome you all to my channel Inspirational She Rules. In times when females were neither expected to and nor encouraged to do anything beyond marriage and looking after a family, she broke many social norms. When even primary education was not common for women, she acquired a medical degree, and that too from a foreign college. She is the first female doctor from India and also the first female from India who went to America for studying Western medicine. Her name is Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. Anandibai was born on 31st March 1865 in Kalyan in Maharashtra. Despite having keen interest in studies, she was forced by her family to marry at the age of 9 to a 29-year-old man named Gopal Rao. At the age of 14, she gave birth to a boy, but due to lack of medical care, she lost her only child in just 10 days after birth. This incident was a turning point in Anandibai's life. She realized that if there had been proper medical care, her child could have survived. So, she decided to become a physician herself and help other women in similar position. Her husband Gopal Rao was a progressive thinker and a strong supporter of women education. After knowing his wife's interest, he supported her decision and backed her entirely to study medicine. But her journey was not so easy. Although she was supported by her husband, yet she lived in orthodox Hindu society where going outside the norm of a society was considered to be a sin. When she applied to a Women Medical College of Pennsylvania, it was met with severe condemnation. People cursed her for doing so. In order to put all the controversies at rest and justify her decision, Anandi made a well-publicized public address. She pointed out the lack of female physicians and emphasized that only a women physician could serve better a woman in need. Her speech received publicity and support started pouring in. Even the Viceroy sent 200 rupees as financial help. Although now they were receiving support from all over India, yet they could not arrange funds for both of them to travel. So, Anandi decided to travel alone and it took her 4 months to sail from India to New York. She reached there in 1883 and successfully finished her medical degree in 1886. Anandi was given a warm welcome upon her return to India in 1886. She had achieved what she had set out to do. Not only did she earn a medical degree, but in the process earned respect. She was appointed as a physician in charge of the women's ward in Albert Edward Hospital, Kolhapur. But unfortunately, she died in just 1 year after returning from US because of tuberculosis. Though her dream to open her own women medical college could not be fulfilled, yet she became an inspiration to many women. This was Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi, whose courage, dedication and determination helped her achieve something which was not easy for even men at that time. In the end, I would like to thank all the women who are doing some amazing work in various fields and making ways for many more women. And also I would like to thank all the men who are encouraging these women and supporting them in whatever they want to achieve in life. Thank you. Hey guys, I have made a similar video of this in Hindi because I was suggested by many that I should make in Hindi, but I was confused whether I should make in Hindi or English. So I have made both. Please suggest me in the comment section whether I should continue in English or in Hindi. Thank you. And keep watching my channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.